What up, dummies? I'm going to show you how to get good at geometry proofs. Right, so here's our example. So here's what the problem tells us. So we know that ML is congruent to JK. We also know O is the midpoint of ML and P is the midpoint of JK. What do we have to prove? Let's check it out. So we got to prove that MO, which is this line segment, is congruent to PK, which is this one. So how do we do that? Well, we gotta make a t-table. It has statements and reasons. So first thing we know is that ML is congruent to JK. So we might as well state that. And how do we know that? Well, it's given, right? The problem tells us that. Here's the plan. Well, we know that this side, ML, is congruent to this side, JK. We also know that point O cuts up ML in half. We know that point P cuts up JK in half. So if you take half of two things that are equal, well, those halves are going to be equal. So ML is equal to JK. If we take half of ML, that's going to be equal to half of JK. And so MO is congruent to PK. That's the plan. Let's do it. So our second statement is that O chops up ML in half. So we just said that O chops up ML in half by saying that MO is half of ML. Right, so our last statement is that, well, we said that ML is congruent to JK. We chopped both of them in half, so MO has to be congruent to PK. And we're done. Thanks for watching and have fun.